When you think of ancient walls, the Great Wall of China might come to mind. But hidden in the heart of Nigeria lies a forgotten marvel that dwarfs even that legendary structure. The Walls of Benin, an extraordinary network of earthworks that stretched over 16,000 kilometers. To put that into perspective, that's 4 times longer than the Great Wall of China, and built centuries before European stonework castles. Constructed over 600 years ago by the skilled builders of the Benin Kingdom, these walls were more than just a defensive structure. They were a testament to advanced engineering, complex social organization, and African architectural brilliance. While history books often overlook this achievement, the walls of Benin stand as one of the largest human-made structures on the planet, a silent witness to a sophisticated civilization that the world has forgotten. A reminder that innovation, skill, and architectural wonder know no boundaries. Enjoyed learning about this incredible piece of history? If you love this story, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to uncover more forgotten narratives that will change how you see the world.